Hi, my name is Ellen Langer. I'm a professor of psychology at Harvard University who's been studying mindfulness for close to 40 years. And I wanted to talk to you today about its relevance to people like yourself dealing with ALS. Turns out that virtually all of us, almost all the time, are like robots. We think we know, and therefore we pay no attention to things. With the simple act of actively noticing new things is energy begetting. It turns out that when we're actively noticing new things, it's literally and figuratively enlivening. We teach people to be more mindful, and we find wonderful improvements to their health, to their well-being, and an increase in longevity. Now, none of us know how long we're going to live. For me, the more important thing is to, rather than to worry about adding more life to our years, is to add more years to our lives. And the way to do that is this simple process of noticing new things. When we think we know, we hold everything still and we don't pay any attention. If you were going to get on a plane to take a trip, you would expect, probably because it costs a lot of money, to go someplace and see all sorts of new things. And with that expectation, what happens is we notice, and that noticing leads the neurons to fire, and again becomes literally and figuratively enlivening. Now, one of the things that people do in general, not just people dealing with ALS, is to hold things still. But control over our physical health tends to come from noticing the variability in our symptoms. Nothing stays the same. Everything is always changing. If we pay attention to those changes, and the more we pay attention to them, the more we notice, the better it is, two things happen. The first, in paying attention to these changes, we come to ask the question, well, why is it more or less present at this moment? Why does it hurt more now than before, or hurt less? That simple act of noticing and questioning is being more mindful. But then by asking the question, so first I notice the change, then I ask why. In asking why, I seek answers. That makes me more mindful, and I very well may come up with the solution. Regardless of its effect on our health, for everybody, the simple notion, the simple act of noticing new things makes us feel alive. There's nothing that's better for us. I hope this is helpful to you, and I wish you well.